Welcome to the Weinig Holz-Her software series. Today, I'll talk about the MapSuite Millvision software. MapSuite is the newest platform where Millvision lives. The main purpose of this software is to connect job entry, machine programming, and live production data to optimize yield, reduce waste, and support custom woodworking. In the application settings, you can configure and activate software models and identify machines that Millvision is running. Here, you can see a range of global settings that gives users full control over how panels are built, cross-cut, and rip materials to specific production needs. Millvision uses a configuration setup that is used to read specific columns and with corresponding job files that are generated by ERP systems. There are several settings that can be applied, such as part modification, identify kicker locations, setting print strings for part labeling, grade material, and other rip saw specific settings. Job staging is the first step in preparing job files for batch processing. Processing in Millvision offers control and real-time insight into active and completed jobs. A reporting feature is available to all licenses. It provides details, insights into your processing performance. An optional custom report is available as an add-on, allowing users to tailor reports for deeper analysis. Here, you're able to see the footage, yield percentages, and cut types breakdowns. There are filters available for species and batches, or board dimensions. You're able to export reports easily and obtain them as a PDF file or CSV file.